everyone, my name is Benata Hizam and I'm working with Classic Hospitality Training Institute in Impal. Today my topic is handling guest complaint and issue, and also I'll be adding few points about handling difficult customers. While handling guest complaints, we need to keep few points in our mind. The first point is attention. Yes, we have to give full attention to the guest when guest is complaining. Guests may complain any of your F&B outlets. It may be in banquet, or it may be in bar, or it may be in lounge, or it may be in your all-day dining restaurant. So after we give the full attention to the guest, we should give a chance to the guest to speak. Yes, and while guest is speaking, we should not interrupt in between. We should let the guest speak. We should let the guest complain whatever he would like to complain. Then, when guest is speaking and when we are listening, we have to listen actively, we have to listen carefully. And after we listen, we should show the sympathy to the guest. Yes. Then after that, after we listen what is his complaint all about, we will know and we will try to find it out what is his expectation from that particular scenario. If we know what is his expectation, then 50% of the complaint is being solved there only. After we understand, we have to apologize to the guest for the inconvenient cause. So after we apologize, we have to solve the problem. The problem, it may be a big issue or it may be a small issue which you can handle by yourself. Or it may be a very big issue which you can't handle it and the management has to handle the situation. But one thing you should not forget is that whatever complaint it may be a small complaint or big complaint, you should not forget to inform your chief in charge. It's very much important to communicate amongst the team members as well. For example, guests may complain that the food is very salty or the food is very spicy. So being in this F&B service department, we need a proper coordination, proper liaison with the kitchen department, because kitchen people, they will be cooking the food and we F&B, we all will be delivering the service to the guests. So that's what I said, it's very much important to coordinate with the kitchen team as well. Yes, we solved the problem from our side. We thought that guests might be satisfied, but we should never assume in this hospitality industry. We should go and we should take the feedback from the guest that whether the guest is satisfied with the service recovery of that particular issue. And guest is happy, guest is satisfied, then also it's not finished. One more important, very much important thing is left, that we should convey the issue to all our team members. It's very much important. Like for example, maybe few guests, they don't like a few ingredients and they are very much regular. Then next time when they came, and if we convey the message to all our team members, then next time when he came, we can always inform the guest that yes, this is allergic to you, or whatever incident happens last time, it won't repeat. And also for other guests, it won't repeat the same issue in future. Then handling with difficult customers. Yes, we all being in this hospitality industry, in our day-to-day life, we get a chance to meet different clients every hours, every minutes. Like we may get a chance to meet a very kind guest or very loyal guests, and few guests, they may be very arrogant, or they may show their angry face all the time. But we should know how to tackle all different types of guests in our shift timing. We should handle carefully. So few points which we need to remember in our mind is that while handling difficult customer, we have to approach them gently, and we have to give our proper body language while we are speaking to them, and we have to use our proper voice modulation. We have to speak clearly. Whatever we are speaking, guests should be able to understand. And we have to have a proper eye contact as well. At the end of my topic, today I would like to give a message to all of you is that you may be working in different departments, maybe in front office, or maybe in housekeeping, or maybe in kitchen. In hospitality industry or to run a hotel, we need different departments. So you may be working in any of the department, but one thing you need to remember is that to achieve the organizational goal, we all need to work as a team. So we all need to coordinate. We all need to communicate properly. Thank you so much.